This semester, we're going to have 4 small group discussions. The small group discussions are a chance for us to apply what we've learned about religions from the textbook to real-world events. For each discussion, we'll read an article, we'll write a 2 to 3 paragraph response to that article, and then discuss it in our small group. So let's come down here to the first small group discussion that's in week 3. And I have a link right here to the discussion board. So you're going to be assigned to one of these groups, and you'll see here a link to the article. So open that up. For this first small group discussion, we're going to be reading about a conflict between the U.S. government and the Apache over one of their sacred sites. So we'll come here and read this article. Make sure that you understand what the conflict is, what's going on, and then write your 2 to 3 paragraph response. I have a link here to a guide for writing an article response. So what I'm looking for in the first paragraph is a summary of the article that we read. It should be fairly short, just cover what the main points are so we can make sure that we're all on the same page. And then in the following paragraph, and possibly one more paragraph, relate it to what we've learned about that religion in the textbook. Once you've written your response, you can post it to your group. Again, like we did in the definition of religion, you can either post it as an attachment or just copy and paste your response in the discussion thread. And then, like all of my assignments, we're going to respond to 2 other people for full credit. So I, of course, have my very helpful small group discussion PDF explaining what I'm doing. So read through this to figure out what I'm looking for, and then come down here and pay attention to the grading criteria. So here I'm looking for what I'm looking for in the response. I want it organized so I can follow what you're saying clearly, and then the grading criteria for the discussion in the group. Like all my discussions, I want more than I agree with you, I disagree with you. I want us to address the specific points that you agree with or disagree with and say something about them and explain your take on it and why you feel yourself in agreement with this other person. So good luck with the small group discussion. I think they'll be interesting this semester, and I hope that you get a lot out of it.